Did you know that switching to a plant-based lifestyle can significantly impact your longevity and help prevent various diseases? Stay tuned to unlock the health perks of embracing a plant-based diet. Welcome back to the channel, where we explore exciting trends in health and wellness. Today, we're diving into the world of plant-based living and the surge in popularity it has seen in recent years. Let's face it, our modern diets, high in processed foods and animal products, have led to a rise in health issues like heart disease, obesity, and high cholesterol. But what if there was a way to combat these issues naturally? Enter the plant-based lifestyle. By focusing on nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, you can fuel your body with essential nutrients such as fiber, antioxidants, and vitamins that are vital for optimal health. Now, let's delve into the specific benefits. A plant-based diet is not just about avoiding certain foods, it's about embracing a wide variety of nutrient-packed options that can boost your energy levels, enhance your digestive health, and even improve your mental clarity. Imagine waking up each day feeling more refreshed and ready to take on the world. Research has shown that those who adopt a plant-based diet often experience lower blood pressure, reduced cholesterol levels, and a healthier body weight. These changes can significantly reduce your risk of developing chronic diseases and contribute to a longer, healthier life. Scientific studies abound, showcasing the transformative effects of transitioning to a plant-based diet. From weight loss and improved energy levels to reduced inflammation and better heart health, the benefits are truly remarkable. But it's not just about the physical benefits. Plant-based eating also fosters a greater sense of well-being and connection to the world around you. By choosing plant-based foods, you're making a positive impact on the environment, contributing to sustainability, and promoting animal welfare. In summary, adopting a plant-based lifestyle can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. By prioritizing plant foods and minimizing processed and animal-based products, you can enhance your health, vitality, and longevity. I encourage you to explore incorporating more plant-based meals into your diet and experience the benefits for yourself. Share your journey, questions, or favorite plant-based recipes in the comments below. Together, let's embrace a healthier, more sustainable way of eating. For those of you looking for more guidance, check out the description below for some fantastic resources to get you started on your plant-based journey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on wellness and lifestyle trends.